Okay, so here we are. We're going to get this and chop it down and see what it looks like. It looks alright. It looks firebox. It looks firebox ready. So we'll see how we go. Oh, it's full of ants, not white ants. We've certainly upset them. Look at all those ants. Well, they were perfectly happy till I came along, and I didn't realise, but upset them, didn't I? My goodness, they're very upset. We'll just give them a chance to vacate the premises, and we'll do a bit more chopping. But I had no idea there was ants in that. I should have, I suppose, realised. But anyway, it's chopped down now, and we've got to go and split some more wood, so we'll do that. Okay, so I've got some nice red gum here. They're a bit gnarly though, so we'll see what happens when we poke them through this splitter. I worry that it might not actually work. We're going to see if this 5-ton splitter actually does the business. Oh yeah, that's a tight one. Okay, no, we're going to need the, oh, there we go. We'll go again. Thought we're going to need the sledgehammer there for a second. The old block splitter. There we go. There's a bit. That was tough. But it is a very gnarly piece of wood, this. There we go. Come on now. Come on. Whoa. You got to watch them. You have to be careful. And I was a bit annoyed when I first got this because it's a two-handed operation. But you can imagine if I was standing here with my hand on that when it went off, it would absolutely hurt you. So standing behind the ram is a good idea, or squatting behind. And, oh, yeah, it does work. But if you've got a particularly gnarly piece of wood, things can get out of hand in a nanosecond. Yeah, some of them can be so gentle and lull you into a false sense of security. And then bang. All right. Yeah, that's all right too. This is pretty straightforward. That other one was very gnarly in its grain. See how this one goes. It still takes a little bit to get through them. Yeah. That'll do. I really think that's more than enough. We'll split these ones. This is a gnarly bit too. So I'll keep our eye on this one. It's a short one, but we'll see how we go. Nah, he doesn't like it. We'll try there, but yeah, just chipping the bits off it. Oh, gee, that's stuck there too. Hang on. That will actually work. This one, I think it's going to be easy peasy, but then hey, what do I know? There we go. So, bit of action there, but that's more than enough for tonight, and we've got plenty of chippy bits too for kindling purposes. Looking good. Oh, it's so cold this morning. Look at the sun is bright and everything, and it's just cold. Anyway, we're out doing our morning walk, and we're going back and we're going to split some more wood. You don't have to see that, but there's going to be more wood. We are actually going to Wodonga in our next video. We'll be doing that, and we'll be doing some pants shopping. I'm going to get run over in a minute, I think. There's a car coming. Yeah, so I'm running out of pants, basically. So we'll be doing that, and we may even call in and sample some wares at a bakery. We've been watching just recently this fella who goes around Australia, well, at the East Coast anyway, and taste testing meat pies. I'm not kidding. He can do anything on YouTube, and he's taste testing meat pies. What's his name? It's Shaggy Trails. That's the name of the guy. He's an old age pensioner, and he goes around taste testing meat pies. Mrs. Mac was watching over my shoulder. She said, he's making me feel hungry. So we might do that tomorrow as well. Or in the next, well, actually this afternoon, but in the next video, because this one's getting a little long. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and something else. Oh, share. Yeah, do that too. It's too cold to think. Anyway, we'll catch up with you in our next video.